everyone, and welcome you all to the tutorial on Figma. So this is going to be the last class of the Figma tutorial. And if you guys have made this till this far, I hope you have enjoyed the class and thank you for attending this class. And the last chapter is going to be how you can export those images from the particular application and different ways and different formats of exporting those. If you want to export the whole frame, you can do that. If you want to export some particular item, basically I'll be showing you guys images. So here I will show you all that. And let's get started with this last class of Figma. So here I do have my workspace and I want to select this particular image from here and only this one I want to export. So in that case, what I'm going to do is I will come here on the export option, click down, and here you guys can see in what format I'll be taking this one. So here I do have the PNG format, JPG, SVG, and the PDF format. And if I want to get a preview what I'm exporting, I can see here. Okay. So I am just decreasing the size of this one. And this is what I'm exporting to my system. So I'll just export this particular thing from here, come to the export option. And now what I'll do is I will select this 2x. Okay. So this is just the resolution. If I am viewing on a high RAM or a fast computer or a PC, then I can select this one, that it will give me a high resolution of that image. And instead of PNG, I'll take a JPG and I'll export this particular frame. And I can select what name I want to give. I'll write this as Figma export file. And now I can select where I want to place this, save this out here. And now if I go to this one here, my file explorer, and I'll go to my downloads. From here you can see I do have this file. So let me see how it actually looks. So this is the one which I have just exported from the image option. So the same thing, let me just do it from here. Okay. Suppose I want to take it in 1x, okay, or 0.75x, export the frame in downloads, save this one, come and view this as well, as I have downloaded this. And here you can see the size is less here, but there it was 2x, now it's 0.75. So here if I just zoom in also to this image, the picture quality is quite better. But here in the same way, if I come to this file here and if I zoom in, you can see the quality is not that great comparing to that other one. Okay. So this is one way we can do. So for my PC, I do basically take the 2x1. Okay. And you can also do 3x, 4x. And if you want to change the width, here you can change the width as well. So different methods of using this. And if you want to save this export setting, you can just click here and you can just add any suffix from here. Like if you want to use 512H, okay. And I will export this file 512W and export both of this frame here. Come to the downloads and save this. Let me go back again to this file here. We see Downloads, save it, replace, and yeah, I will have those around here. Okay, as I do have this, so I will click here. You can see this image, or maybe it is this one. Okay, here you can see it changed the width of this image, and in this one here they have changed the height of the image. So hope you guys have understood how we can basically use or export your image from this particular application, that you can use it in some other places as well. So this was the last, and I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned all the things which I have explained, and now you're familiar with this particular option or this particular application. So keep on practicing with your designing. That would, the more you use, the more you work on this, the more you learn about everything. And I have also given you guys some of the class projects which you guys will be submitting on the project panel. I'm really eager to see you guys, what you guys will be doing. So please send your work and let me see how much you guys have learned from this tutorial. Take care and goodbye.